Hi guys, hope you're all well. This is a DIY from Leedy. I had a brainwave. I shrunk one of my placemats when I put it in the washing machine. All the batting went in just a solid ball, and I thought, I'm not throwing it out. I can make something with this. So I cut open an edge. I took the batting out and I had to scrape it off a bit. It was really stuck to it. So I cleaned it to the best of my ability. Now, I did not want to buy any batting. I didn't want to spend any money on this. I just thought, I don't want to throw it out, but I want to use it because it's just such, it's such a nice material. Anyway, turned it inside out. Here you go. This is not going to be a huge throw cushion, but it's going to be perfect to put, something here, something there. And then I thought, well, what can I use for batting? Well, I have a ton of white towels. So I went and got one of my white towels, and I had to do this a few times to try to get it just to fold it correctly so it would fit inside my placemat for my new throw cushion. Anyway, after a few tries, I got it and I had to stuff it in. By the way, guys, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you would consider joining me and subscribing to my channel. Just that little red subscribe button there. And then, of course, a like and a comment I'd really appreciate. That'd be awesome. Okay, so I'm stuffing it in. It was a little bit snug, but I got it in. The biggest thing with this project was I had to make sure that I had enough on the ends to fold up because I didn't want a sewing machine. I didn't want to get, ask somebody to put a serger on it. I just wanted this easy. So I just kind of got it tucked up there, and that looks good. I'm just going to grab the other side. Yep, that looked like it was going to do it. Now, one of the things I wanted to use, I thought it'd be fun to use a decorative button on this. So I did think that that would be a great option. So I got out my all my buttons. I have this huge button bag, and I had these big gold buttons. I knew I had them off an old duvet. I'd cut them off, and I have lots of them. So I thought if another placemat hits the dust, I could make another throw cushion. So that was a really good idea. Anyway, I thought, oh, these are going to look really sharp. Yeah, I love the contrast. I'm a silver gold girl, and nowadays you can mix all these colors. Okay, so I got the edge up, and then what I did, I first tucked it back a bit just to the material, and then I sewed the button on, the decorative button. It's just really there to make it look like an expensive throw cushion. You know how much a throw cushion, like anything that you like, usually anything I like is like $25, $30 for a cushion, really. So I thought this was perfect. So there I am. Look, guys, I can still thread a needle. That is incredible. I was surprised. So I got that in, and now I've got to flip the other side up. That's me making sure they're kind of lined up. Yeah, it didn't have to be perfect. Nobody's going to check that closely. And here we go. Button on. I have osteoarthritis, and so sometimes I'm a little clumsy about these things, but here we go. I just think it's really cool to be able to make something almost out of nothing. And it doesn't cost me a penny, not a penny. This was just things I had around the house. And you know what? I love design on a dime. I feel so proud of myself when I can create something that hasn't cost me anything. Just stuff out of the house. Here we go. It's done. Like, how cute is that? I didn't have to throw it away. I think it looks really pretty. I love the button on it. I thought that was a great contrast. So here it is up against my other cushions on the sofa. There's the black side. Yeah, I think it turned out really well. I'm going to be able to use that in all kinds of places. Here I have it on one of my dining room chairs, and it's reversible. Easy. Guys, thank you so much. There's one of my little heart boxes. Love you guys. Bye.